Okay, for our next item, first three. Okay? Or unang tatlo. Yung pagdadala sa akin na dapat meron po kayo nito. Okay? Okay, valid ID. Any kind of valid ID? Sige po. Okay, patingin. I love it. One. Okay, here we go. Okay, two. Okay, let's proceed. For our next item, first four. Or unang apat. May mga pagdadala sa akin na bird necklace or gintong kwintas. Sige po. Bird necklace or gintong kwintas. Anyone? Okay, I have one. Okay, anyone? Wala na po ba? Okay, silver. Silver na kwintas. Okay, two. Here you go. Anyone? Last two. Okay, mukhang wala na mga kwintas. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to our next item. Let's have five. Five winners. Okay, first five. Or unang lima. May mga pagdadala sa akin na. Okay, sige po, dapat yung may cellphone kayo. Meron po kayo? Charger! Sige po, first time yung mga pagdadala sa akin ng charger. Okay, one. Power bank, sige po, power bank, pwede. Power bank, charger, anyone? Sorry, power bank. Okay, here we go, power bank. Okay, charger, okay, and charger. Thank you so much. Okay, sige po, basic item for these stickers. Okay, for our next item, first three, or unang tatlo, may mga pagdadala sa akin na puting medyas or white socks. Sige po, puting medyas or white socks. Okay, sige po. Okay, two. Last one. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this time you'll be winning this number. For our next item, first two or unang dalawa. Okay, I think meron na po kayo nito. Okay? For our next item, first two mapagdadala sa akin na bagong 50, bagong 100, at bagong 200. Sige po. Let's make it first three. Unang tatlo. Okay, bagong 100. Bagong 100 and sige po. Okay, so ito na ito. Okay, here you go, sir. Okay, don't worry tayo yung prices na mo tayo. Okay, for our next item. Okay, where's Una? Okay, it's Una. Okay, for our next item, first two. Nagpapagdadala sa akin na any kind of object basta favorite color ni Uno. Sige po. Anyone? Hindi niyo ba alam kung anong favorite color ni Uno? Okay. Here we go. Blue po ba, mami? Ay, hindi lang blue. Okay. Yellow. Okay, yellow. Thank you so much. Okay, for our second to the last item. Okay, for our next item, first to left. Okay? Okay, majority na dito, wala pa po ata nito. Okay, for our next item, first two, o unang dalawa. Limang pagdadala sa akin na puting puhong or uban. Sige po. Sige po, magtutulungan po tayo. Sige po. Magtutulungan tayo lang muna. Okay, patingin po. Patingin po po, eh? Okay, tulungan po, one more. Okay, puting puhong. Okay. I love it. Okay, for our last item. Okay, for our last item, tingnan po natin kung gaano niyo po kakulong si Uno. Okay? For our last item, choice 2. Or unang dalawa. Namang pagdadala sa akin na picture kasama si Uno. Soft copy or hard copy? Sige po. Picture kasama si Uno. Anyone? Calling once. Calling twice. Anyone? Calling po. Ay, dapat ikaw po. Okay, here we go, baby girl. Anyone? Dapat kasama niyo po si Uno mismo. Okay, ang galing. Nagpalit ng tao. Thank you so much. Okay. So that concludes our main meal. I hope everyone enjoyed our last game.